Hi there, welcome back to my channel, Renaissance Mom. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to design this bear using nothing but circles. Today we're going to be needing a total of 14 circles to make this design. Let's get started. We're going to get our first circle. We're going to unlock it and start creating the bear's head. The next set of circles we're going to be using will be to create the bear's arms. The next circle we're going to get will be to create the bear's body. Once we have the right size for the bear's body, we're going to be highlighting the head and the arms, and we're going to be welding them together. Then I'm going to place the circle in the middle, and I'm going to be stretching it down to create a longer body for the bear. Once everything's in place, I'm going to go ahead and be highlighting the whole image, and I'm going to be welding it together. The next circle I'll be using would be to create the bear's foot. Once I get the right shape that I'm looking for, I'm going to be duplicating it and flipping it horizontally. The next set of shapes we're going to be using will be to create the bear's snout and nose. Then we're going to duplicate the nose and start shaping an eye. Once we have the right size for the eye, we're going to be duplicating it as well and putting it on the other side of the bear's face. Then I'm going to duplicate the circle and use that circle to start forming the bear's first ear. Once the ear is set in place, I'm going to be duplicating it and flipping it horizontally before putting it on the other side of the bear. Lastly, I'm going to be duplicating the ear and modifying its size to create the inside of the bear's ear. Once it's done, I'm going to go ahead and change its color, then I'm going to duplicate it and put it on the other side. Once you duplicate it, please don't forget to flip it horizontally before putting it on the other side. I know I forgot, but I will be fixing it before I'm done. The next thing I'm going to do is make the bear's feet bigger. Lastly, I will be grouping the ears, modifying their size and rotating them before arranging them to be sent to the back of the head. And now our bear is done. If you're new, click the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you will know each time I put up a new video. See you next time.